So we've just done a bit of work on this little beautiful thing. Had the blower off, done a whole lot of oil leaks, paired the governor. I didn't video everything, I know, but just getting back into the swing of it, so give me a break. Done the compressor up, it's had an overhaul, rings, bearings, pistons, top end rebuild, done all the valves and all the pins. This is contagious. It takes the cunt ages to do anything, so we won't put his face on video. And he's underage, but he's been a work experience venture coming in once a week. So yeah, so we've just, this is an old 4870 Atkinson. So those of you in the States wouldn't have seen these. It's pretty cool, old international truck. Bit ugly at the front, won't show you the front because the front grill's off it. But so I've done a compressor, done a whole lot of bits and pieces. Water crossover pipe had pinholes in it, so we put a new water crossover pipe inside here, new hoses. Fuel hoses were crossed over in the front the wrong way, so I got them back the right way. They had bits of rubber 3/8 fuel hose in here, so we've replaced all of that. Done the Horton fan clutch up, so it's had a set of bearings and seals and everything as well. New airline to the Horton. Just a whole lot of bits and pieces. Done the cab mounts and the cab crevices, clutch rod linkages in there as well. They're all seized. So that all moves really freely now. So, but anyway, you know, the little video next to follow. Just doing a first startup after what we've done. You'll notice one cylinder's got a bit of a dead spot to it, and it's also got a crackle, which is it's burning oil on one cylinder. So anyway, something new.